Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Sheesh.
God damn.
You see it still, right?
That shit too far. No.
Hey, it's a beautiful day to go buy a Banshee today.
I was like, I stepped out when I woke up. I said, God damn, I'm finna cop this Banshee.
The one we originally looked at, if you watched the last video, we looked at two Banshees. We're gonna look at it again, boys, and hopefully he's taking our offer. So he wanted more than what we offered last time, and then it looks like he probably sat on it a week with no one buying it. So he's going a little lower. We're gonna go see if we can swoop this one up, get Juan on the Banshee piece. But this one needs some work though, for sure, because it wasn't running. Once like we rode it, and I could tell the carbs were a little bad, and it needed some work. But then when I rode mine when we bought that one, I realized like, yeah, that one for sure was not. Yeah, that one was not kicking all the way. So definitely needs some work on her. First time I ever came to the gas station, Juan didn't get no hot chips at the Orchard stop. Driving all the way across town again. Round 2, baby. Whoa. This one looks like it. Yup, this was it. Is this it?
Damn, the case is cracked too.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
The case is cracked right there.
We're looking at it right now because this is sitting sideways. It looks like this one's pushed back more on this side. And one noticed the chain snapped before because the case is literally broken.
Yep.
Right there's.
And it snapped the case right here too, so yeah.
That chain don't snap.
That nigga's like 13.
Yep.
Why is he put it
That's all fat, boy.
Then we got the new piece.
Where? Yeah. Oh yeah, the new phone piece. Yeah.
Juan got the new phone piece already. If you watched the last one, his phone slid like 4 houses when he was riding my Banshee.
Oh, the iPhone was sliding. Gosh, never again could do that.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. You're gonna need. That Johnny's running so bad right now. One trying to piss off some neighbors.
For sure needs to work, Brody, on this bike. For sure needs to work, Brody.
Watch this bitch for the
It's not drive so fast up the street.
Yep, sorry about that.
Usually when we're testing out our stuff and we have a problem, we go that field over there.
Yeah.
Because we have Razor, we do the same kind of.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Here, make sure there's 18.
3, 4. Good looks, Brody. Good shit.
Let's get that.
Y'all got it from him?
Yeah, we got that.
Got it.
Y'all niggas be straight, bro.
For sure,
Yep.
Brody. You selling those paddles too with them? You selling those paddles too with them?
You got paddles?
I mean,
Grab bar. No grab bar. Hey, the extended piece. Oh, that was getting the strap. You did not just get paddles and the bike. with the paddle pieces. All right, so yes, sir. Here it is, Juan's '97 Banshee. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. She definitely needs some work, but that's why we got her for the low. Probably the cheapest Banshee that wasn't completely blown up. I've seen. We got this 1800 off the rip with the clean title, baby. It's hard to find these old ass bikes like this with a title, because back then half of them you really didn't get titles when you bought them, because they're just off-road stuff, so no one really cared about that. Times changed, boys. We need titles out there. So 1,800 bucks, got the title, and here we are meeting up again with someone off OfferUp right now to buy some new pipes for this beast.
Yep.
Because I think that might be her pulling in, because these ones are all spray paint and everything, and someone has these exact pipes, right?
Yep.
Yeah, without the paint. We could just brush these ones off, but I think these ones are the chrome pieces. So
We're getting the chrome, the fatty boys.
oh, with the tips?
Yeah, with the tip pieces.
Oh yeah, because these ones
are not it.
Yeah.
My Banshee had these.
Yeah.
The last ones, so those are not it.
Yep. You need a grab bar too.
Yeah.
You need to buy a grab bar. Grab bar, front brakes. I did the front brakes on
Stickers
mine.
instantly got to come off some Louis V,
The Supreme Louis stick. Damn, that thing probably so real too.
I don't know.
Damn, the Supreme bandage piece though. Look.
Dude, you got the fucking Supreme pieces now? Bro, this shit cleaned up now.
Yup. Supreme.
Yeah, that's a skateboard.
Oh, that's what it is. Damn it, I don't want it then. I thought it was a Band-Aid. How you feeling about the new Banshee though?
Hey, I'm stoked. I'm for sure. I got plugged on it for sure.
Yeah. She needs some work, but hey.
That ain't no problem, because I'm ready to do a rebuild if it has
No problem that needs work, because he's ready for the work. Right here.
cars, bro.
Chain came off for sure. And just slapped, took the crankcase out. Yup.
Now we got some paddles, man. Quit playing now.
Quit playing. The ITP's okay. Little sand stars, yup. Same ones I got. You got the polished pieces on. Someone polished them.
Yeah.
Come on, nah.
We in there though.
Come on, nah.
We in there. Hit me. Hit me.
Brand new knobbies too. You got the brand new knobbies on here.
Too.
Like brand new. These right here, gone.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna for sure have to take those off.
Yep.
Bro legit painted everything.
Yups.
Over everything. The swing arm loose bolt. Come on now.
Oh, yeah, not the swing arm on the loose bolt. Oh, Juan got the +2 swing arm on this thing. Yeah, there's some stuff, but
Who doing it to me?
yeah, come on now. Hand tighten swing arm.
That's how you riding y'all swing arms?
Come on, nah. Overall, bench piece got the stock headlights. I like the stock headlights with the mesh pieces on it. Yes, sir. That's what I got on mine. Got the key piece too. I've never had no key on mine. I forgot about that.
I'm happy to have the key piece.
I might take Juan's steering stem though, real quick.
Hey, you can have my steering stem if you need
Yup.
it. I heard you need that.
Yups.
Oh, she here.
Where?
She said where? She said
Where?
at Pump 2 gas station.
At the gas station, bruh. Pump 2. Let's go, Juan.
I walk over there. I got sticker pieces on me.
We got Banshee parts to get.
I got it. I'm about to go make this deal, guys. I'll be back.
All right, be careful.
All right. It's my tush. Wow.
Hey, we just picked these pipes off this older dude right here, and he recognized the video.
He said, aren't you that dude off the YouTube?
He said he saw the MB5 video.
The MB5. And guys, it's Del Taco Burrito. I give it an 8, 9, 10, you know.
8, 9, 10?
Yep, 8.9. Really quick.
This looks fat.
It do be fat.
Sheesh.
That's how you do it to him.
Both 97 pieces too. We each got a Banshee now. That makes 2 Banshees this week, and we locked in. We gotta do some work on Juan's. I gotta do some stuff to mine. I just ordered the steering stem, so I should be able to put the steering stem on. It looks like this mount that the steering stem actually goes to might have bent back, because that's why these plastics don't line up, which is kind of scary. But yeah, fix that and do a few things, and she'll be running good. We gotta do some carbs for sure to Juan's and a few other things, but this thing was a steal. So got it super cheap, cheap as I've ever got a running Banshee. So alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Next video we gonna be working on the Banshees, riding the Banshees, a lot of 2-stroke things. Big merch drop coming soon though, actually, end of the month. Stay tuned for that.
Oh shit.